Hey, this is Jaden with Adventure Pilot, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about updating your software and the iFly app for your tablets. And so I've seen a few of our customers running really old devices with really old software that they need to update. So I'm going to show you how to check that and how to do that. That way you can fly with a good tablet that's safe and working properly. So on the left-hand side here, I've got an iOS tablet, an iPad. So we'll go ahead and start with that. And the first thing that we're going to look at is your software version, so the actual operating system on the tablet. So to do that, you'll go into your settings, which is going to be this gear icon here. If it's not there, if you swipe your finger from your home screen over to the left-hand side, you can search your app library, search for settings, or click on the gear icon that's there. Then you're going to have a bunch of tabs on the left-hand side, and the one that we're looking for is called General. And the two things that we're looking for are About and Software Update. About is going to tell you what iPadOS version you're on. So that's how you can tell what it is. And it'll automatically tell you if that's current or not underneath Software Update. So once you click on that, it'll start loading, and then it'll tell you if you're up to date or not. So you just want to make sure that it does say that right there. If it does, you'll be good to go. On your Android tablet, it's going to be the exact same. So you're going to go into the settings, go to Software Update, and then download and install the latest update. Now there's a million different Android tablets, so it might look a little different, but this is the general gist for that. All right, and there we go. It just checked and it tells us the software is up to date. So this one should be good to go as well. And it's really important you do this kind of update because it helps with some of the security on the tablet to prevent you from being hacked or losing information and stuff like that. So it's just a good habit to check that every few months or so. Make sure you're up to date. Now for checking the iFly app, all you got to do is open up the app here. And this one's in our beta version. So once you're in the app, click on Menu, About, Version and Contact. There's our iFly version, which is 14.1.32, and that's the beta right now. I'm in the latest version here, and to update that, some people get confused and they actually go into Menu and check for updates. Check for updates is only going to update the charts on the tablet, but it won't update your software version for iFly. So to update that, you actually got to go into the App Store. So I'm going to go into the App Store here, which is going to be this icon that looks like the A. Then you're going to go ahead and click that search icon and then type in iFly EFB. And click search. Once it's searched, it comes up with two different options. There's iFly EFB and iFly EFB Legacy. The Legacy version is if you have iOS 13 or less. If you have anything newer than that, you can download iFly EFB, which is our latest software. So tap on the icon, and right now I have the beta version installed, but to install or update the app, it's always going to have that little cloud icon there. So it'll have that cloud icon or a button that says update, and you just tap on that and it's going to update the app. So for example here, we tap on that, it's going to start doing the circly thing, and that lets us know it's installing. And once it's installed and updated, it says open, and if you open the app and go check the iFly version, it'll tell you that it's now updated. All right, to enable automatic updates on iOS, you're going to go into Settings, then go into the Apps, and actually it's going to be under App Store right here. Then you get an option that says Automatic Downloads, and right under that, there's App Updates. So as long as you have that turned on, which is highlighted green, then you should automatically download updates for iFly. On the Android side, it's going to be a very similar process for the whole iFly thing, but once you need to go to the App Store, instead it's called the Play Store. You're going to go ahead and click search down there. Then click search again, and then search for iFly EFB. Once you've got that searched and you click on the app icon, it should give you an option to update the app right there. It should attempt to do an automatic update, but if it doesn't, tap on the 3 dots in the top right and enable auto update. It's still a good habit to check every now and then and see if there's an update available. And, when we send out that email blast, go there and download that update. That's all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.